Hey guys, Kyle Kelly from Kelly's Port, taking you through my wife's favorite boat that we sell in the entire dealership here. This is the 2023 Regal LS36. I want to take you through why my wife and, well, me as well, find this our favorite model that we would use for our family and have used for our family. So let's take a run through the 2023 Regal LS36 and see why it's a Kyle and Liz family favorite. So guys, what made the Regal LS36 such a popular boat right off the bat at Lake of the Ozarks? First and foremost, let's talk about rough water handling. We introduced this boat down here at the lake, getting up on time to plane. I'm not even gonna get aggressive here. I'm sitting down in the seat. I never, ever, ever lose sight line of this boat. I'm doing 16, 17. I've got 365-degree view and control, and there's a lot more left of this boat. You've got optional Volvo 350s or 380 blocks. We got about half and half. The way that I use my boating, honestly, the 350s, they check the box. I didn't notice a real huge difference between the 380s. If you've got really big groups and maybe one of the bigger power, great. But here's the thing, 22 miles per hour. This boat weighs in dry about 18,000 pounds. By the time you add all this stuff to it, it's about a 20,000 pound boat. This thing is a rough water beast, okay? 20,000 pounds, very comfortable on the open water. Great sight. It's not a lot of the V-dive cruisers where you're standing up like this. I'm sitting down here right now. I've got beautiful views, like a beautiful Kelly's Port service boat driving out in the water, and it's just an easy driving boat. A lot of times you drive these real big, heavy boats, there's a lot of blind spots and tough to see, and it's just a lot of work. This boat, it's easy. Turning is a breeze. Again, I'm not messing a ton with drive trim, really not messing with the trim tabs a lot. It's just a big, but sporty, but it's a heavy, heavy, heavy boat that still has a sporty feel to it on the open water. Top end speed, it's not a speed demon. The boat's gonna get closer to about 50, somewhere in that 46, 48, depending upon what the power and load. But here's the deal. I'm cruising 22, 23, with 20,000 pounds between me and the water, and it's super comfortable. Guys, the fun starts in the back of this boat. The swim platform on this thing is monstrous. They call it an LS36, about 38 foot overall, but the swim platform is a full beam swim platform, which means it gives you a lot better and easier access from you to the dock, and it also gives you a bigger party platform. Speaking of platforms, I think every boat should have this. Regal's patented power platforms and underwater swim platform, single push button, much easier access from the water back into the boat. Our sun pad in the back here, if you just want a little jump seat, pull up on either side. And there's just a fun little comfy little spot to sit back here, relax, enjoy the beautiful view that we have. Quick and easy fold down. Got another port side jump seat that has a huge storage compartment. This actually goes all the way up and connects underneath that seat up. Versatility, your seat back here, obviously facing forward, or single pull right here, locks down into a position that you can just have a huge spot, comfortable, beautiful support, set up correctly. Guys, this spot right here, my wife hung out with for like 3.5 hours in the back of the boat and just absolutely loved it. Watch the kids jump up and come into here and jump out of the tuna door. This is one of the things that makes this by far best in class, quick and easy to open up. Guys, what's nice about this, access to the dock. My mom and dad, kids, or just anybody in general, the accessibility to come out here. Also, it's a fun little toy for the kids to jump out. But again, in my opinion, if you're designing a fiberglass boat, there's all the manufacturers out there, you need to have a tuna door on it. I know they're a pain in the butt to design and engineer, but gosh, from an end user standpoint, that thing is worth its weight in gold. Speaking of versatility, the Sure Shade up here is on the new Garmin digital switching, gives you the ability to give you some open, more shade, or close it up depending upon how you're boating. Seating is the name of the game on this boat, guys. This thing is monstrous. You've got a big L-shaped seat all the way across here with stowage down underneath. Another L-shaped seat across here, stowage in the seat base. seat back. And we've also got huge in-floor ski stowage here, another storage here. Another reason this boat has become extremely popular is because of the versatility of the dinette that they put aboard the boat. This has just as much stuff from like a cooking and cleaning and all that as like some of our 40, 50 foot yachts. You've got designated stowage for a huge Yeti cooler, trash can, cockpit TV, sink, cutting board, ice chest, and spot here optional for a cockpit grill. And on top of that, you have not one, but two drawer style refrigerators. You can do one fridge, one freezer, whatever you want to do. But again, guys, the dinette, that's just ergonomically clean, well done, and doesn't take up a ton of seating, is just a home run for this boat. The helm station, in addition to being functional, it's gorgeous. You've got a dual white helm seat. I love this. It's great for a nice date night to snuggle up with the wife. Or if you've ever seen any of my videos, I've always got a Kelly kid on my lap having to drive. It's nice that you're quick, easy, moving seat forwards, backwards, however you want to do that. Joystick, quick and easy access. Cell phone charger, of course. Good job, Regal. And then easy access to, again, our Volvo, either 350s or 380s. I like the 350s, but it's 100% on what you want to do. We have the options for both. Bennett trim tabs here. We have not one, but two full-size Garmin screens here, guys. It's monstrous. There's huge. There's actually a third one over there by the passenger. We've got all the controls that we want. This new digital switching technology, guys, is absolutely positively amazing. On a quick button, I've got my cockpit TV, I've got my sunroof, I've got my sunshade, I've got anything and everything I can push with a quick and easy button to get everything locked in. And secondarily, but not to be forgotten, is our passenger area. I call it my co-captain area because, again, you've got the nice Garmin glass screen, you've got your own cell phone charger over here, stereo controls. My wife would like that. And then you've got a little glove box over here on the side. It's a huge deep spot to throw in towels, purses, not towels, excuse me, purses and cell phones and keys and stuff like that. Head door, I love this new option that the team at Regal has done. Quick push button to open this up to a very nice, comfortable, usable head. You've got optional diesel Panda generator, super quiet, super efficient. You've also got the option for the new, call it the power bank. I call them Tesla batteries. You can do that in lieu of your generator if you'd like that. Kind of some new technology, kind of like the digital switching, this power bank. The team at Regal has really been on the forefront, all the new technology that we're seeing out in the marine industry. So good job, team at Regal. It's awesome. Down to the head, guys, it's big, it's usable. I'm not a huge guy. I'm national average. I'm 5'10". I can sit down, got plenty of room, access to all my controls, nice sink, fan, checks all the boxes. This area is actually air conditioned and cooled, as is little Cuddy, which we'll jump over to in a second. So one of the nice things about this LS36, it's technically considered a coupe. I don't care for a lot of the coupe because it's like you're either completely enclosed or it's just your standard bow rider where you're open. The team at Regal did a wonderful job, again, being on the forefront of technology, giving you the option for both. So right now, 75 degrees, gorgeous. We're gonna take the sun today, okay? However, if you really want to, quick and easy, you push a button on your digital switching, slide a door across, and then close our bow walk-through doors. And congratulations, you're closed. You've even still got the open option for two different positions for these side windows just to bring in a little bit of breeze. Just jump over the open bow. So standard open bow that you guys are used to seeing, but what the team at Regal did is a very nice job. They have this kind of little hidden nook area. If you look down inside here, guys, we've got it equipped with a little V-berth. Folks use it differently, depends upon how you're boating. And then this open bow is huge. Again, big storage, in-floor ski stowage, stowage in the seat base. I would doubt it, if anyone, and just listen to this hardware. It's heavy, big, monster stuff. Big stainless steel grab handle, stainless steel cleats. I mean, it's a real nice deep set freeboard down here, guys. Cell phone chargers on either side. It's just a really well laid out, really well thought out, big family, big bow rider for the big waters at Lake of the Ozarks. So guys, like I said, there was a reason that the team at Regal introduced this boat down here at Lake of the Ozarks. They had the Lake of the Ozarks boaters in mind, using our family as a perfect example, whenever they brought this boat out. And I feel very strongly, and my wife Liz feels very strongly as well, This is her #1 favorite boat for Lake of the Ozarks. She's actually been harping on me, asking me, when are we going to get our LS36? And she's not there yet, but I think you and your family, you should be. This is an absolute positive, perfect boat for Lake of the Ozarks. It's great for multi-generational boating. And at Kellysport, we're very fortunate and blessed. We've got a couple of these in stock as of shooting this video. They could change tomorrow, but call us here at Kellysport at the Marina, 573-348-4700. At Kellysport, we ask you to buy the best and only cry once. And if we sell out of them, Liz will get mad at you and not mad at me. So anyways, thank you guys for your time. Appreciate it. We'd love to have you as part of the Kellysport family. Thanks for your time.